Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share my crafty dares and my Saturday morning makes with you all today. Crafty Dares is a Instagram group that I'm in and it's hosted by Tina, who's telling thank you here on YouTube and Instagram. And Saturday morning makes, I'm sure everybody here on the crafty community knows that it is hosted by Jill Norwood. So I was late on my crafty dare and I had to get it done, and I found some time this morning. Don't mind my inky fingers. I used an ink that got all over and it wasn't good. So Saturday morning makes is Jill's like, it's not a collaboration, but it is if you want to share your crafts or your art, you're more than welcome to. You just have to hashtag it Saturday or Sat Morn Makes. And if you want to join in Crafty Dares, it's hashtag Crafty Dares, all lowercase. So let's get started. Let me show you the products that I used. I used this stamp. Let me bring you guys down here a little bit so you can see it. This stamp set, it's not a stamp set, it's just a stamp that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I used this punch. I used this paper pad from DCWV. I used the stamps. I think I got this at Joann's a while back. I used this stamp set, and I believe it's from this company here. I don't know if it's going to focus in. There it is. So that is my stamp set that I used. I used this bear die from Alina Cuddle or Alina Crafts, whatever. I don't purchase from AliExpress anymore, but when I was goo over them, I bought this die, which I still love. It's a great die. And then I used this envelope die that is also from AliExpress. So our crafty dare was, we had to use an animal. We had to use both lavender and yellow, and we had to have a Valentines sentiment. So here is my card that I used. Here is the paper. There's the die. This is like really dark. I don't know. It's like a gray color. There's the yellow and the purple, which some of the stamps have purple, and then the yellow paper that I backed the stamps with. I used that punch with that envelope. I love how he's holding it. He's like, hey. And then here's the stamp that I used, a purple heart and another red heart. I think I was covering a smudge on there. There's a smudge right there, but I figured with the stamp it doesn't really, you can't really see it all that much. So that is one card, and then I did this one, and I used some of the other dies that um, goes with this bear. And she's holding a little heart, love mail. I thought that was kind of cute. I don't think I stamped inside, but so that is my crafty dares for this week and my Saturday morning makes. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week. Bye now.